Place your fingers at the inner corners of your eyebrows and perform a slow side-to-side massage. Move your finger outward by 1 cm gap, hold and repeat side-to-side massage. Shift another 1 cm toward the tail of the brow. Massage again to cover the entire orbital ridge. It directly releases the deep muscles knot that causes a heavy hooded eye look. It relaxes the inner brow muscle to help erase vertical frown lines between the eyes. Take both ring fingers and place them gently on the area right next to your ducts, the inner corners of your eyes. Close your eyes firmly and hold the position with a light pressure and slowly open your eyes while keeping your fingers in a place. Perform this close hold open cycle 5 to 10 times. It naturally flushes out fluid trapped in the under eye area. It stimulates circulation to reduce the appearance of dark circles. Create a hook shape with one hand, firmly grip and lift the frontal bone, the lower part of your forehead upward. Using your other hand, place your index and thumb slightly lower. Simultaneously pull up with the hook hand and while gently pulling down with your thumb index. You are essentially opening the bridge of the nose and the orbital bone area to release deep-seated tension. It releases tension in the orbital bone area that makes the eyes look sunken and tight. The upward hook action provides an instant lift to the frontal bone, making the upper face look more youthful. Use your thumb and index finger to gently but firmly pinch the skin at the top of the bridge of your nose right between your eyes. As you hold the pinch, focus on the feeling of your eyes relaxing and naturally widening. Maintain this position for a few seconds and then release and repeat the process 5 times for maximum effect. It releases the tension in the Procerus muscle that causes you to squint, helps your eyes look white and bright and refreshed immediately after the move. It prevents the formation of deep vertical wrinkles between the eyebrows. Use your index finger and thumb to gently grab the skin at the outer corner of your eyes where crowd feet typically form. Perform small light pinching motion along the muscle at the edge of the eye socket. Do this massage on both sides. It helps relax the orbicularis oculi muscle, which prevents wrinkles from becoming permanent. Make a long O mouth shape with your face. This stretches the skin, stabilize your facial muscles. Place your middle and ring finger gently on the bridge of your nose. Place your index finger on the outer corner of your eyebrow. To keep them steady, look upward toward the ceiling and squint your lower eyelid. It directly targets and straightens the weak muscle under the eyes that causes sagging and puffiness. Looking upward while squinting increases blood flow to the eyes, making them look brighter. Take your middle and ring finger and place them gently at the inner corners of your lower eyelid near the bridge of your nose. Very light pressure, glide your fingers outward along the under eye bone, moving toward your temple. Lift your finger, return to the inner corner, repeat this motion few times. It moves stagnant lymphatic fluid away from the eye area to reduce morning swelling. Place your index finger just below the outer corner of your eye. Ensure it is positioned so it barely doesn't touch the wet mucous membrane. Take the index finger of your opposite hand and place it just above the first finger, leaving a tiny 2-3 mm gap between them. Gently but firmly squeeze and spread the fingers apart to fan out the skin at the outer corner of your eye. Maintain the good stretch and do this on both sides. It directly stretches and relaxes the muscles that cause fine lines at the eye corners. It provides an opening effect that makes eyes look wider and more youthful. It boosts blood flow to the outer orbital area, helping to brighten the skin. Place the tip of your index finger at the side of your nose, right where the bridge begins. Using firm but gentle pressure, glide your finger upward along the side of your nose until you reach the inner corner of your eyebrow. Once you reach the brow, give a tiny lift upward before releasing. Perform these upward strokes 5 to 10 times on each side. It relaxes the Procerus muscle to prevent deep horizontal and vertical lines between the eyes. Take your index and middle fingers and place them directly on the lower under eye bone, the orbital rim. Apply gentle and steady pressure downward onto the bone, ensuring you are not pressing into the soft tissue of the eye itself. Hold for 10 seconds, then release and repeat on other side. It stimulates the lymphatic system to flush out fluid that causes heavy morning puffiness. The target pressure improves local circulation, making the eyes look brighter, less hollow. Use your top hand to hold your brow up and your bottom hand to hold the lower eye area. Still, gently close your eyes against the resistance of your fingers and slowly open. And repeat the squeeze 5 to 10 times and repeat on the other side. It also builds muscle tone. It straightens the muscles that prevent hooded or droopy eyelid. It tightens the delicate skin around the eye socket. Use hands to form a C shape, placing thumbs on the under eye bone and fingers across eyebrow. Apply gentle pressure to hold the skin steady and create a stable frame. Slowly squint by pulling the lower eyelid up without closing completely. Open wide and repeat the squinting motion 10 times. It prevents forehead wrinkling during the exercise. Blood flow for a wide awake look. Straighten muscle to reduce sagging and under eye bags. Place the palms of your hands on your temples just past the outer corner of your eyes. Gently press and pull the skin slightly up and back toward the top of your ears to create a lifted anchor. While holding this lift, gently squint your eyes. Don't close them completely. Then open them wide. Continue this squint and open pulsing motion few times to engage the muscle against the resistance of your hands. Place your index finger on either side of the bridge of your nose near the inner corners of your eyes. Gently move your fingers in a slow up and down motion. Keep the pressure light and steady as you massage this delicate area. Continue this slow rhythm for several repetitions to fully relax the muscle. It relaxes the muscle that cause fine horizontal wrinkles on the side of the nose. Place your index and middle finger on the soft area just below your eyes. Move your finger in a gentle side-to-side motion, slowly covering the width of the lower orbital area. Continue this for several repetitions one side, then repeat on the other side. Keep the touch very light to protect the thin skin around your eyes. It releases deep-seated tension caused by screen time and squinting. Use your top hand to gently pinch and lift the inner corner of your eyebrow upward. Simultaneously, use the index finger of your other hand to glide downward from the inner corner of the eye toward the side of the nose. Move slowly, steadily, creating a gentle vertical stretch between your two hands. Repeat this motion few times and then switch to the other hand to perform the same step on the other side. It helps pull the inner eyebrow upward to open up the face and reduce the frowning look. The downward glide moves stagnant fluid away from the inner eye, reducing deep hollows and puffiness. It directly massages the areas where we hold tension from squinting or seasonal allergies. Place index and middle fingers together on the soft area below the lower eyelid. Perform a small, gentle side-to-side massage movements. Keep the speed slow and steady to protect the thin skin. Do several repetitions one side, then repeat on the other. It reduces fine lines, stimulates blood flow to brighten dark circle, releases tension caused by stress, fatigue. Press your palms firmly onto your temple and pull the skin slightly up and back. While holding this lift, gently close and open open your eyes 5 to 10 times. Feel your eye muscles working against the firm pressure of your hand. It straightens the muscle that prevent hooded or droopy eyelids. It provides an instant cat eye lifting effect. Place index and middle fingers horizontally across closed eyelids. Starting at the inner corners, gently glide fingers outward along the bone toward your temple. Lift and return to the center and repeat several times. It reduces fine lines. It drains morning fluid built up around the eyes. Raises tension that causes heavy brows and headaches. Place the palms of both hands firmly on your forehead just above your eyebrow. Use your hand to gently pull the forehead skin upward. Hold it steady so you don't create wrinkles during the exercise. Open your mouth into a long narrow O shape to stretch the mid-face muscle while looking slightly upward. Gently squint your lower eyelid. Squint your lower eyelids up towards your upper lids, then release. Continue this pulsing squint 10 to 15 times. It specially builds the lower eyelids muscle to fill in hollow and smooth out bags. Place your index, middle and ring fingers together on the soft area directly beneath your lower eyelid. Apply light pressure. Move your fingers in a gentle side-to-side massage motion. Continue this several repetitions one side, then repeat on the other side. Use a very soft touch as the skin in this area is extremely thin and delicate. It stimulates microcirculation to help clear away dark, stagnant blood, brighten the gaze, helps shift morning puffiness away from the lower lid for a snatch appearance. Gently manipulate the muscle by moving your fingers in different directions to achieve a separation effect. Walk your way around the entire circular muscle that surround the eye socket. Ensure you perform these movements equally on both sides of the face. Use a slow, deliberate motion to manually stimulate the tissue without pulling the skin. By moving the muscle in multiple directions, you force fresh, oxygenated blood into the eye area. Separating the muscle fibers prevents them from becoming stiff or stuck, which keeps the skin firm. Increased circulation naturally flushes out toxins, leaving you with a signature glow face look. Regular practice helps the circular muscle maintain its strength to support the eyebrows and eyelids. Place your top hand on your forehead or temple to keep the skin steady to prevent forehead wrinkling. Position your index and middle finger together at the inner corner of your lower eyelid near the bridge of your nose. Use a gentle steady pressure to massage and glide your fingers outward along the lower eye bone toward the temple. Repeat this outward flashing motion few times on one eye, then switch hands and repeat on the other side. It stimulates circulation to refresh tired looking eyes and minimize dark circles. Place your index, middle and ring fingers on one hand horizontally along the upper eyelid muscle just below the brow, and place the index, middle and ring fingers of your other hand along the lower eyelid muscle. Simultaneously glide of both hands from the inner corners outward toward the temples. Continuous the glide specifically into the crow feet area at the temple to smooth out the skin. Repeat few times and switch side to balance the face. It directly stretches and smooths the skin where crow feet and under eye wrinkles form. It flashes the entire orbital area, reducing heavy morning puffiness. Gently glide outward across the crow feet area toward your hairline. Place the fingertips of both hands firmly across your forehead above the eyebrow. While holding the skin steady, try to move your eyebrows up against the resistance of your fingers. Then return to the starting position. Repeat few times. While maintaining the hand position, look upward to further engage the upper facial muscles. End by using your fingers to massage the front of your hairline to head in a slow side-to-side motions before releasing completely. It straightens the frontalis muscle to help pull the eyebrows back to their natural youthful position.